This is my caravan. This is my 23-year-old caravan. It's a 2-berth, 15 foot long. It's not that long on the inside. So let's have a little look. I'm doing this because I made a joke on one of the toy collectors streams, and they were doing a room share. So I said I'll do a room share. So this is my room share. Plenty of storage. Plenty of storage. Let's have a little bit more light on the subject. She says. There we go. There we go. Right, this pulls out to make a bed the full width. So you'll move that cushion there onto there, and that cushion onto there, and then that makes that whole area a bed. Or you just take that cushion off and that cushion off and throw it in the bathroom, and you can have 2 separate beds, which are 3 foot wide. So it's good size. It has a fridge, which is gas operation and electric operation. It has a fully working cooker, hob and oven and grill. That's the steps so I can get in. Storage, skylight. We have fly blinds and dark blinds and curtains, which it gets quite cozy in here. Microwave, fire, although I don't have the fire on. I just usually put the ring on, the gas ring, and that warms it up when there's 2 of us in here, plenty. And when I said bathroom, I mean bathroom. So there's the door, and there's a whole room. Look at that whole room, which has a toilet, a sink, and a shower, which is where we keep the water bottles for travelling. And plenty of storage there for the quilts, covers, pillows, sleeping bags, clothes when we get there. So there you go. A little tour of my soon to be 23-year-old caravan. Not bad if I do say so myself. And it only cost me 1,600 quid. Even better.